Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm an iPad. So today, I've got with me the iPad mini 2, and it doesn't work, like, at all. So I'm just gonna kill it. I felt like a hammer would be appropriate. Alright, I'm sorry iPad, but the time has come. Ooh. Yeah, it's taking damage. Damage taken 400. Oh, ooh. That was harsh. That is very harsh. The poor iPad. Yeah, let's just take off the cable. Yeet. And there's the shell. And that is so oofed. Feel like a bend test would feel appropriate. Ah, it's tough, but it's bent. It's definitely bent. That is certainly bent. Alright, let's give it another bend. Why not? Oh, that is so hard to bend. Like, it looks easy, but it's so hard. Look at the bend. That is ridiculous. Yeah, you want an iPad to play on? Yeah, this is easy. This is easy. Right, let's try and repair it. I feel sort of bad. Oh my gosh. That is creepy. I'm gonna have to use the ground to bend it. Ah. That is hard. Okay, we're just gonna bend it back. Easy. I now have the iPad taco. Yum, yum. Alright, I need to get some meat for it. Looks very, very tasty for an iPad though. Look at the bend. It's torn the aluminium. And it's like bent up. And now I can just take off this little Apple logo. Not looking too bad. And yeah. Alright. Should we play some iPad Frisbee? I reckon that's a good idea. If you couldn't tell, iPad Frisbee is my favourite thing to play. Frisbee. That's the most expensive Frisbee I've ever owned. I feel like this iPad's still gonna work. I don't like that idea. You just... taco. Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm an iPad. I need more. I sliced it in half. Yeah, that's definitely not in one piece anymore. Just for kicks and giggles, I feel like a hammer hit a few times should just fix this up. Whoa! That's what's inside the iPad. Under the metal plate that will never show anything. That's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Alright, continue. Oh. A bit odd. Yeah, not in one piece, for sure. That is, that's just peeling away. Yeah, I don't think the speakers or lightning port are gonna work anymore, for sure, for sure. Yeah, that's definitely not in one piece anymore. Yeah. I could just break away at this and, you know. But you know, I don't think this piece has seen enough. Not yet. I think it deserves a little bit more. I'm back here. Yeah, that's definitely not in one piece anymore. Look at it. Look at it. It's mangled. I mean, the home button still clicks. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it clicks. Still makes a sound. I don't think the microphones are going to work anymore. Like, at all. Hey, the headphone jack still works. Illegal. Yeah, that's not going to work anymore. Just for kicks and giggles. Not good enough. Oh yeah, that's not working. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work at all. But my home button's still working. Wait, how's the home button still work? The power button. Illegal. That is actually illegal. Okay, that's not working. That is locked. Good, good. Like the iPods. What the iPods used to do, you could like put them on hold mode and, you know. Now I've put mine into hold mode permanently. Oh, and that is so dead. And there are little magnets there as well, so that's cool. The logic, the poor logic board, toast. It is toast. Yeah. And then the Apple logo. I mean, it's good. It's just a little bent. Oh, not to forget the screen. It's literally falling apart in my hands. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, that's gonna have to go pretty quick. That is a lot of iPad stuff that's just been broken. Now I've got to clean it up. Thank you, YouTube. As I clean this up, I just found that that's the A7 chip. The same chip in like the iPhone 5S. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that, but that says Apple A7. I've got to get the sunlight on it. There you go. It's probably very fuzzy. Yeah, okay. Let me continue cleaning.